Good morning. Let's start with our ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Timing. Dog, log. Your turn. Dog, log. Hot, pot. Hot, pot. Then, when. Your turn. Then, when. Sing, wing. Your turn. Sing, wing. To, you. Your turn. To, woo. All right, now we're going to do the beginning sound in a word. So we're going to go over and then we're going to come back to the beginning again. Man. Your turn. Man. Let's do went. Went. Your turn. Went. To. To. Good job repeating. Cup. Your turn. Cup. Get. Your turn. Get. All right, blending compound words together. Bath, tub, bathtub. Your turn. Bath, tub, bathtub. Inside, inside. Your turn. Inside, inside. Peanut, peanut. Your turn. Peanut, peanut. Dog, house, dog house. Your turn. Dog, house, dog house. Sun, light, sunlight. Your turn. Sun, light, sunlight. Good job. We're going to talk about the ending sound. That's the last sound we hear in the word, and we're going to punch it up. Feed, feed, Your turn. Feed, Bone, bone, Your turn. Bone, Good job. Cup, Your turn. Cup. Went. Your turn. Went. And size. Your turn. Size. Good work. Next, we're going to do segmenting compound words. So we're going to put them together and then take them apart. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Your turn. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Cupboard. 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 Yardstick. 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 Your turn. Yardstick. Yardstick. Snowman. Snowman. Your turn. Snowman. Snowman. Headlight. Headlight. Your turn. Headlight. Headlight. This time I'm going to have a word and I'm going to take the ending away. I'm going to add a word. I'm going to add a word and then we're going to figure out what that word is. High. Add way. Highway. Your turn. High. Add way. Highway. Out. Add side. Outside. Your turn. Out. Add side. Outside. In. Add to. Into. In. Add to. Into. Book. Add case. Bookcase. Your turn. Book. Add case. Bookcase. Thumb. Add print. Thumbprint. Your turn. Thumb. Add print. Thumbprint. Good work. This time we're deleting a word. I have a word and I'm going to ask you to delete one and you're going to tell me what is left. Are you ready? Let's go. Put your hands like this. We have baseball. Take away base. What's left? Ball. Good job. Baseball. Take away base. And you have ball left. Good job. Let's do football. Football. Without the foot. Ball. Good. Try it again. Football. Without the ball. Sorry, without the foot. Ball. Softball. If we have the word softball and I take away soft, what is left? Ball. Good job. Try it again. Softball. Without the soft is the word ball. Good job. Okay, snowball. Without the word snow, what's left? Ball. Snowball. Without the snow is the word ball. Good listening today. Let's do our poem. Hi. Our poem this week is called Old Mother Hubbard. We're going to start off by just saying the first sentence. Old Mother Hubbard. Oh, I wonder what's going to happen. We have the word mother. Do you guys hear that beginning sound? Mother. That is the letter M. I'm going to highlight that M. I'm also going to highlight that M down here. Mother. Can you say that word with me? Mother. Ooh, I like the way your mouths moved with mother. Thank you.